Yours does, huh?
Yeah.
Mine doesn't. Do it to me sideways if I record it like that. What's up? No, that's your guy. Daniel's gonna be right.
You recording?
Yeah.
Hey, Drew! Oh! Golazo!